guys, welcome back to my channel and to another clean with me. Today I'm sharing with you a power hour that I did once the kids had finished homeschooling. I just gave myself an hour to run around the house and get as much done as I possibly could. So I desperately needed to organize and declutter a few things, as well as some general cleaning tasks like wiping down surfaces, vacuuming and making beds. But I love to give myself a time limit because I feel like it really speeds me up. So I'm going to show you everything that I got done, and I hope it gives you loads of cleaning motivation. And if you do like cleaning content like this, I would love you to consider subscribing for more videos. And with all that said, let's get into today's clean. So first off, I'm going to put in my wireless headphones so that I can be listening to something while I clean. This is the best hack to turn something mundane into me time. I love that I can be taking in information or learning something new while I'm also being productive. And my go-to app is Blinkist, and I'm so thrilled that I get to work with them as well. They've sponsored this section of the video, and I use them all the time. I listen to Blinkist while I'm putting my makeup on in the morning. I listen to Blinkist while I'm cleaning. I listen to Blinkist while I'm working out. They are so cool because they actually take the best insights from books and they condense it down into 15-minute versions. So say on a power hour like this, I could actually listen to 4 different books, get all of the highlights. But they also have things like they have shortcasts, which is a condensed 10-minute version of popular podcasts. So again, they take the key ideas from a full-length podcast and then give you a shorter version that you can listen to. And they do also offer full-length audiobooks now as well. So if I listen to a 15-minute blink of a book, which is the condensed version, and I really love it, and I think, or want to listen to the entire book, I can then download that as well. So I have a special link for you guys, and I'll put it in my description. But the first 100 people to go to my link will get unlimited access for a 1-week free trial. And then if you do like it and you decide to get the full membership, you'll also get 25% off a full membership. And the 7-day trial, it's completely free and you can cancel at any time. But it's a really cool app. They have over 3,000 non-fiction books that you can choose from, so many different categories of interest. I often go to the parenting section and the happiness and mindfulness section. But if I could recommend a few books to you, I really liked The Urban Monk. I also enjoyed The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Beep. I liked The Yes Brain, and The 4-Hour Work Week as well is very interesting. But there's something for everyone, whether you're interested in parenting, in financial advice, in relationship advice, you can find it on there. And I should have said, you don't actually have to listen to it. There is an option to read any of it. So if you do prefer to sit down and read, you can do that as well. But as I said, I'll put the link in the description, and let's get back to cleaning. So first off, I'm going to declutter a couple of kitchen cupboards. I've actually created a declutter challenge. You can check it out on my Instagram highlights or Pinterest as well. But I've made it for the month of February. So each day I do a little prompt, and the aim is to spend 10 minutes a day decluttering something different. And then by the end of the month, we will have actually accomplished quite a lot. So you can join in at any time if you want to. But today I put to aim to do 2 kitchen cupboards. And this one has been driving me crazy since we moved into this house. So I'm going to give it a good clear out today. I'm going to take everything out of the cupboards, give everything a good wipe down, and then try and put it back in some kind of order.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself.
Okay, so those kitchen cupboards are looking so much better, and I just cannot wait until we have our new kitchen. I'm really not loving having cupboards. I much prefer and miss the drawers that we used to have in our old kitchen, and I feel like people might ask, so I wanted to say that the can storage was from IKEA and the Lazy Susan was from Amazon. I'll try and link it down below. But anyway, now I've run upstairs to make the boys' beds. I basically washed their fitted sheets today because the boys have been having lots of sleepovers during lockdown. They really look forward to it, and they've had lots of movie nights, so with that comes like popcorn and food, and I noticed that they were looking a little bit dirty, so I decided to throw the boys' fitted sheets in with a whitewash this morning. So I'm just going to remake the beds, and then while I'm here, I'm going to give his room a little once over as well, just wipe down the surfaces and vacuum, just because it's a little bit dusty. And I'm going to put away some of his books. Fraser is a real bookworm. He really likes to read. Currently he's reading this one by David Walliams. It's called The Midnight Gang, and he really seems to like it. But anyway, I'm going to try and tidy away all of his Rubik's cubes and bits of paper and everything, wipe down the surfaces, and then give it all a good vacuum. And then I'm also going to move on to Caleb's bedroom and make his bed and give it a once over as well. Oh, and I forgot to say, this might be the last time that you see his bedroom looking like this. We actually started decorating it today, so the paint is going to change, and we're having a window seat built in that bay window next week, so stay tuned for his room transformation very soon. But yeah, I'm excited with all the bits that we've ordered for his room, and I can't wait to show you guys.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
course, Jackson's new bedroom. I'm just going to quickly make the bed and put a few toys away. And I've had a few questions on Instagram about what it's like to change the bedding on a bunk bed. But so far it's not too bad because no one's actually sleeping on the top bunk. So I just tidy it up if they play up there. But yeah, Jackson has actually slept in his bed for the past 2 nights running. So hopefully that will continue. But he really loves playing in this space. He's so very proud of it. And I'm really pleased that he likes it. But anyway, I'm now going to go downstairs to the kitchen. This is a space that needs constant attention. There's always stuff on the sides that could be put away. There's washing up there that I'm going to put away now. And I'm just going to do a quick 10-minute speed clean in here, wipe down all the surfaces and try and clear them. I feel like that instantly makes a room look so much cleaner. So I'm just going to run around and do that now.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me.
I'm moving on to our living area, and with all 5 of us being at home all of the time at the moment, there are a lot of toys to go back into the playroom, including this random tent that I brought in from the garage the other day as a way to entertain the boys. I just put the tent up in the living area and they played Lego inside of it. I'm also going to wipe down this table. We've been using it for everything. Obviously, we all eat all of our meals on this table. They've been coloring, playing Lego, doing painting, like so much on there. So I wipe it quite often, and I'm also going to clean this windowsill while I'm here as well. For some reason it gets very dusty, and while I'm here I thought I would show you my view. Fraser was so excited the other day. He learned how to do a backflip on the trampoline. He watched a couple of YouTube tutorials and he learned it in just like an hour or 2, and he's been practicing ever since. So he's out there doing that, and I've also been meaning to organize and declutter the kids' pens. We have so many markers and pens, but they are very well used. So I'm just going to go through them, just check which ones are still working, and really just tidy them up and like group them into some kind of order.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
So that is looking so much better, and now I know it's a bit random, but I'm actually going to spray some flash with bleach onto this table surface. I find it really helps to get the pens and the coloring marks off of the white surface. And I've shown this table before, but it's brilliant. One side is like a Lego surface that they can build on, and there's storage underneath, and then the other side is just a normal table that he can eat on, color on, or obviously play Lego on. And now I'm just going to try and sort out our couch a little bit. We've had this couch forever. You can probably tell it's seen better days, but we're not updating any furniture down here until we do the extension and like redesign it all. But I will be sad to see it go. I actually gave birth to Jackson on that couch, so it's pretty sentimental. But anyway, it's a total mess. Now I'm just going to organize the boys' slippers. I was thinking of getting like a basket or something to put our outdoor shoes in at the back. Let me know if you have any suggestions for that. I'd love to know what you guys do, because we've always got like sliders and stuff like that at the back door so that we can run out to the trampoline. And I'm also going to run around and vacuum with my cordless Dyson. Obviously this is a high traffic area. The kids are constantly coming in from outside, so there's always bits of dirt and crumbs and little bits of food under the table. Not a huge amount. I feel like we're finally past those days of the kids constantly dropping food. Obviously my youngest is now 4 and it feels crazy to even say that. I remember when they used to just chuck loads of food from the high chair and I'd be constantly cleaning it up. But yeah, I'm just going to run around the living area and also our kitchen. Those are the places where we get the most mess. And I know that this might look like I'm vacuuming quite quickly, but obviously this is sped up. When I'm actually doing it in real time, you'll see I do it quite slowly because I feel like that's the best way to pick every single piece of dirt up. But anyway, that is it for this video. That is my power hour done. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.